Nanodiamonds of the soul, how the 144,000 are lighting the path to the new earth. Dear beings of light, you, the 144,000, are undergoing profound and transcendental changes within your being. It's a time of significant internal transformation, where many of your internal sensors are awakening, activated by the luminescence of your brain's nanodiamonds. These tiny particles, embedded in the vastness of your consciousness, are now catalysts for unprecedented evolution. The activation of these nanodiamonds is a divine phenomenon, designed to elevate your consciousness and expand your understanding of the universe. As these light particles activate, latent abilities within you awaken, extrasensory perceptions, profound intuition, and a closer connection with the vibrations of the cosmos. This awakening process is not random. It results from your constant commitment to spiritual growth and your willingness to serve the divine plan for Earth. Each of you has been chosen for your unique light, internal strength, and capacity to carry out a mission of love and light in this plane of existence. At times, the changes you are experiencing may feel overwhelming. You might find yourself navigating through intense emotions, deep spiritual discoveries, or even facing challenges that seem insurmountable. However, know that each of these moments is an opportunity for growth and expansion. You are called to trust in your process, to embrace each experience as a lesson in love, and to remember that you are not alone on this journey. The activation of your brain's nanodiamonds is just the beginning. As you become accustomed to this new way of being, you'll discover that your ability to manifest, heal, and love is amplified. You are beacons of light for humanity, showing the way toward a higher consciousness and a more harmonious world. Remember, dear beings of light, that your presence on Earth at this critical moment is a divine gift. You are here to anchor the light, to guide others in their awakening, and to contribute to the planet's ascension. Keep your light shining brightly, open your hearts to the infinite love of the universe, and walk courageously towards your highest destiny. You are the pioneers of a new era, the architects of the new Earth. With every thought, word, and action, you are creating a reality of peace, love, and unity. Trust in your inner light, embrace your divine power, and know that together, we are transforming the world. With infinite love and gratitude, I am Zoe. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.